Vice Governor Esteban Eban Contreras has tested positive for COVID-19.
Following the protocol in place in the provincial government, where 2 of our staff in the office of the governor were tested COVID-19 positive. I had my swab test yesterday morning. Result is already out, and I would like to officially announce that I tested RT-PCR COVID-19 positive. I am asymptomatic as of this time.
While on isolation, the governor said he will still be working.
I will be putting myself on strict home quarantine, but I will still be handling administration and governance of the province.
In his message, Contreras urged his constituents to follow health protocols.
Let us not keep our guards down. Let us continue to strictly follow the health security and safety protocols. The virus does not discriminate. The virus is out there to infect anybody.
Before he got infected with the virus, Contreras has been busy supervising the arrival of locally stranded individuals from Metro Manila. He was also hands-on in preparing for an additional quarantine facility for health workers.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.